Sunday, and today a bit of a problem with the air conditioning and the fan. So its windows open, so lucky to have a tractor that's got opening windows. Get a bit more tractor sound coming in. I think there's a resistor in the air conditioning box. I think it was playing up because the fan kept sort of coming in and out every now and again. Worked all day yesterday, fine. And then when I come out to it this morning, she's not working. So I think the resistor's gone. So it's not a big job. Well, it's not a big issue, but it's a little bit of a job because the air conditioning box has to come down. Kind of scuppered today because it's 28 degrees and I don't fancy doing anything in those temperatures without aircon, or at least a fan that works. So that's that for today. Take her back home, put her to bed, source a new resistor in the week. Trying stag in front of us. I can remember those when I was a little boy. I always thought they sounded absolutely fantastic, those triumph stags. Cycle Cafe is rather busy. Up, and get a new one. It gets warm when you shut the sunroof and the windows, right? Back on the windows. So that's 50 miles an hour, full chat. got the classics out, he's got his classic American car out. Having a nice picnic by the side of the road. I've got the classic tractor out. Right, I've been trying to investigate my issue with the air conditioning and the fan, and I was doing this on my drive at home and I was getting very hot, so I've come back to the yard here and I thought it was this right at the back there, that resistor, and that's what gives you your fan speeds. Otherwise they're just on full chat on one, because it's only a single speed fan. The resistor gives you the actual speeds. So I played around with all this wiring here, checked everything, couldn't find anything wrong, unplugged the resistor and nothing happened, it still didn't work. And then I decided I would look at another issue, which was my reversing lights didn't come on. And when I checked this, I don't know if you can read that, but the reversing lights, neutral switch and air conditioning all seem to be on the same relay, so the reversing light's not working properly. I wondered whether that was having an impact on the circuit, and I couldn't really work it out. But suffice to say, now my fans work. I've obviously only got one fan speed because the resistor's disconnected, but it makes me think it's not the resistor that's causing the problem. So I've got fan speed 3, no fan because the resistor's disengaged. But it's tripping the aircon in. You can hear the clutch on the air compressor kicking in. So that's all working correctly. And if we turn this over, the heater fan works as well. So I'm a bit at a loss as to what the problem is. I suspect it could be the resistor, but I'm not quite sure. So I think I'll get another one anyway and we'll see how it goes.